Here are the steps of hiding your online status on TikTok, everyone. So if you need to scroll and enjoy TikTok without anyone knowing you're online, then let's disable our activity indicator. And this works on both iPhone and Android devices. So just follow my steps. Step number 1 is to open the TikTok app on our mobile phone. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. And let's first open our TikTok DMs in order for me to show you what I mean. So if a person has a little green dot in their profile picture, that means that they are currently online and active on TikTok. But we want to remove that green dot from our profile so that other people can't see if we're active or not. So navigate over to your TikTok profile page and tap the 3 horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. Settings and Privacy. Now you'll need to select this Privacy option, which should be right under the Account button. Here is the switch which we are looking for called Activity Status, and I'm going to turn it off. Now let me quickly explain what this setting actually does. When Activity Status is turned on, TikTok allows your friends, meaning followers that you also follow back, to see when you're active on the app. By turning it off, that green dot disappears from your profile completely, so nobody will know when you're online. But keep in mind, this also means that you won't be able to see when other people are online either, so that green dot will disappear for you as well. And that's it, guys. That's how you hide your online status on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.